At the time that I'm recording this, there has not been an upload in like 10 days, so the video that came out last is the one that will come out next, and I do apologize for that. That video will be coming out soon. I just have had so much freaking schoolwork. Currently, we've got like 2 weeks left until spring break, and I just can't wait for that so I can record tons of content for you guys, and there will be videos. So I do apologize for the gaps and everything, but anyway, with that all out of the way, because that's all you guys ever message me on Instagram, which I appreciate, by the way, sticking out for me and making sure I'm okay. That means a lot. I'm good, just tons of school. But today we're working on Jason's car. We've got a new steering wheel that we're going to be putting on, and not just any steering wheel. We've got an OEM Plus type mod we're doing today, because we've got a GTI wheel, and we're going to be installing on the Alltrack. It's gonna be great. Okay, so we went ahead and disconnected the battery, that way we don't have an airbag just explode in our face. So the first step is we have to turn the wheel a little bit to get to the little, there's like screws back there, little clips or something?
Yeah, there's clips.
Okay, so there's clips on the back of the steering wheel, but basically because this kind of has like an elliptical shape, you have to turn the wheel a little bit so that way you can expose them because they're kind of hidden. It's a pretty clever idea. So anyway, we'll put the key in the ignition so that way it won't lock on us, and we're gonna go ahead and just kind of fiddle around with this so we can get the clips undone.
Yeah, and that's to take the airbag cover off.
You need to speak up.
That's to take the airbag cover off.
Yes.
That completely heard me. There is zero chance that did not hear me.
Yes, but it sounded too sexual with you mumbling.
Oh my god.
Got it?
Well, no, I've got to see what I'm working with here.
Oh.
It's kind of hard. I've seen like pictures and whatever of what it is, but I don't really know which way the clips go. We'll get back in a sec here.
I saw a little bit of wiggling action.
Well, I mean, it'll wiggle no matter what, because that's the horn.
Yeah, but did it not like pop out a little bit?
I thought it did.
Is that gap usually there?
I don't know.
I don't remember it looking like that. That's...
Maybe not.
I think we're making progress.
I'm trying to I'll just stab myself in the face with a freaking pick.
Dude, I've got one of those little dentist mirrors.
Well, okay, yes, where is it? I would totally take that.
It's upstairs. Alright, I'll be right back.
Yeah, go get it.
So, I don't remember where I got it. I think my stepmom bought them for me, but I have these little like dentist sets, so we're going to use this little mirror to look behind the steering wheel. There you go. Can you see anything?
Yeah. Is there any way that you could hold this?
Yeah.
Okay, hold this and I'm just going to position it where I want it, okay?
Okay.
Since it like zooms so much, it has to literally be in the exact position that I want. Stop turning.
I'm sorry. I had to get my hand in the spot where
stop.
I can hold
Don't let it twist. Right. Wait, well, I've got to find the little latch. Okay, literally put it right there and do not move it. Perfect.
This is so cute what we're doing right now. I'm like your little dental assistant. Now this is...
I feel it.
This is my childhood nightmare.
Oh, you moved.
I'm sorry, I'm a shaky little goon.
Right there. No. There.
Oh, sorry.
Don't move.
I can't not move.
Oh my god, you totally moved.
I'm sorry.
It just, hold on a second.
I'm reaching across the car, my shoulder's getting tired.
Take it back.
My shoulder's getting tired.
Okay. Never mind. I'm doing this shit myself.
Yeah, you probably have a better time doing it yourself.
Can I get like a flashlight into here?
Yeah. I can hold the flashlight for you, Dad.
Thank you.
Alright, after a few minutes of finagling, we've got this side popped out, and I don't know, do we have to do the other side too?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, well, it looks like you might be able to angle it out, so.
Nah, you've got to pop the other side out also.
Okay, so we're just gonna turn the wheel back. Put your back into it, boy. There we go. Are you kidding me? You're totally ruining my video. Go away. Can you what? Yeah, you are.
You want to be in a video?
Yeah. God, there's so many people, dude.
Yeah. So what I figured out is that I just gotta push really freaking hard.
See? What did I tell you, dude? You just gotta send it a little bit.
Now I can't see. Why was... It's the most awkward angles. What?
Nothing. You'll see when this video goes
You're gonna
up.
zoom in on my freaking face, aren't you? Because I'm making weird faces, aren't I?
It's mostly because your arm is like covering half your face.
You try this, big lanky boy.
Yeah, I will. I said, do you want me to do it? And you were like, yeah.
Yeah, I guess I don't.
Yeah, well, yeah, I don't want to do it either. It's your car. Why the heck is it raining? The sun is literally out.
Dude, it has gone from raining to not raining to raining to not raining about 4 times today.
There she goes.
Airbag.
Okay, so when you disconnect the airbag, maybe don't angle it towards me.
I'm not angling it towards me. If you don't want to be here, get out.
Okay, the airbag shouldn't go off because we've disconnected the battery, but I don't really want to be the test for that just because stranger things have happened, so
Why do all of these clips have like little extra clips on the clips?
we got clips on clips on clips, bro. What?
I did one of them. Now I just gotta do the other one.
Don't point it towards me. I'm gonna come to the other side. For those of you that don't know, airbags are kind of just time bombs. Oh, wow, you...
Yeah, it's because they have to get the other clip from this side.
You could twist it.
It's absolutely terrifying. I mean, we have one of them disconnected already.
Yes, just unplug it. Oh my god, there's no power running to it, it's fine.
It's just terrifying. Don't tell me it's not terrifying.
No, it is. It's okay. She's completely disarmed and harmless. Nothing to see here, officer. Alright, step 2. Well, I guess that was step 1.5.
That was just step 1, yes.
Okay.
Step 2, take the existing airbag out of this airbag cover, or the, yeah, and then put it in this one. I was gonna say, or the cover out of the airbag, but I was like, never mind, that doesn't work.
You could say cover off the airbag.
Yeah.
That's what I would say.
Fair.
This is gonna suck. I can already tell this is gonna suck. I mean, we could cut them.
No.
You never want to do anything the fun way. Also, I'm gonna take your warning label off.
Okay.
I'm sorry about your warning label, Jason. I'm sorry. God, why is that truck just so loud?
I don't know, it just is.
We have this joke. I'm not sure if we've said it in a video before, but whenever we're trying to record a video, all of a sudden all the outside sounds are just obnoxiously too loud. And I know we can't really talk because we both drive loud cars, but it just seems as soon as, yeah, now there's a plane going overhead. Like, there's just always something happening. Okay, now's the time for you to let go, airbag. So I figured while we're stuck here in this conundrum, it'd be a good time to plug the social medias. If you guys are new or returning subscribers, thank you. And you should follow Jason and I on Instagram. He's JSNMAY, like a license plate, if you live in a state where it's 6. And I'm Kaidan Odom, because I'm uncreative. But luckily I claimed my name. So yeah, follow us on Instagram. Or you can add him on Facebook. He's a Facebook nerd. This is the part where when you take this cover off, if any of you guys are doing this, the airbag is going to be kind of exposed. So you don't want to just let it. I mean, it's pretty compacted down, so it shouldn't. But just make sure you hold it upright like this when you get the cover off. You'll see what I mean in a second here. It's making me sweat. Oh, okay, got it. Come on down, you boy. There we go. Got it. So, there's your airbag. Dang, that's inappropriate. We can't show that. Anyway, we're going to take the new cover, and it lines up just like the old one did. The yellow clip is the top of the airbag, and this is the top of it, obviously. So, kind of wiggle this boy on here. As you come around, be careful not to pinch the airbag. You want to make sure that it seats in there, just like the other one came out. And now we're going to have 20 more minutes of struggling. Okay, I've almost got it wedged in here. You can see the clips are coming up through the holes. It's just a real tedious process, I guess.
Boink.
Let go. It's like 90% and then it just sticks. It's not going back out. It's just really hard to wedge it into place. Nice. It didn't move at all. Are you kidding me? I'm just gonna pretend it's a watermelon real quick.
Just twist it between your thighs.
Just give her the old... Ow! Okay, no, it's pointy.
Give her the old thunder thighs?
Yeah. Oh, okay, I got it to move a little more. My videos are slowly becoming more and more sexually suggestive. And I'm not sure if I'm totally okay with it or worried about it. Custom. Alright, let's get the wheel off of there. I'm sweating. Your turn. You get it?
Yeah.
Oh, sick. Okay, so just broke it loose.
So there's a little mark right there, there's a little notch, and there's a little notch right there, and they line up.
Yep.
That's how we get them to line up.
Easy peasy. I told you to bring the wheel over here. Now it's just sitting there, all sad and lonely.
You see the little spin move?
Yeah, I saw the little spin move. What are you doing?
Comparing sizes.
You're comparing sizes. That's inappropriate, Jason.
Yeah, sucks.
Size doesn't matter, you know.
I've heard this part is fun. Yeah.
You good? You put so much effort into that and it just popped off.
No, it was hard. It just took a lot of effort.
I know, but it just...
But then when it released,
wasn't
it
smooth.
released. Well, yeah.
Well,
No.
that was easy enough. That's your clock spring.
Oh boy. What's that do?
It's so that it controls like your blinkers when you turn the wheel. That way when it goes back to straight, it'll turn off.
Why does it?
It's basically
That's
so that
weird.
way you can have an electrical connection that
Whoa.
spins.
I see.
Yes. It's kind of a hard thing to describe, and I don't really know how it works, but don't lose it. They're expensive. The new sexy beast wheel.
Gotta get that splined up just perfect.
Splined up. I like that.
I missed.
Ladies and gentlemen, he missed.
That was pretty close. I think I might be closer if I go one this way. Like, how tight you think I should go?
Good.
That's a good and tight right there. Oh, this is what I was looking for. Where are you?
God, you're so bad about putting yourself right in front of the
Yeah,
camera.
well, I'm always working on like tiny little spots where you can't see anything. Get out of here. Yes. 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 Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Then this should just...
Yes.
Oh!
Done.
Done!
That's sick. Now, we gotta talk about the elephant in the room. It says GTI on it,
Don't look at that.
but
It doesn't say GTI.
We have some pretty cool ideas for what we might do about that because it is a little, it's a thing that you can pop out of there. So I'm thinking we might be able to like get the dimensions and possibly 3D print like a custom Alltrack badge for it. I don't know. Leave a comment. What do you think we should do about that badge? Should we like fill it in with fiberglass and repaint the chrome? Although I'm thinking we might keep the chrome. So we got some options here, but let us know down in the comments what we should do with the GTI badge. A 3D printing Alltrack badge would be pretty cool. And it's something that I could do because I'm an engineer now.
Engineer.
So yeah, just let us know. I think it'd be pretty sweet.
Oh god.
Oh, come on. No balls. By the way, Jordan's looking for a boyfriend, so if you guys are interested, I'll leave her Snapchat on the screen.
Is Dista boys?
Do not put
Yeah.
my Snapchat on there.
Alright, fine. I won't put your Snapchat on there.
Can you put my Snapchat on there?
I will.
Please don't.
You
I
can put my
won't.
Instagram.
Okay, I'll put your Instagram.
I don't want the boys Snapchatting me.
No, the boy.
Are you sure?
I'm not looking for a boy.
So, we came to the store to get dog dye.
No.
That's inappropriate. I can't. Well, I probably will, but screw you. You distracted me. What was I saying?
We came to the store to get dog dye since Kaidan apparently can't speak.
Yeah.
You're supposed to be a YouTuber.
Well, I suck at talking to the camera sometimes. Dude,
I could totally rock this.
you could.
I could hold 130 pounds. It's like 3 of me.
Guys, now might not be a very good time, but I really gotta pee.
In your pants. Nobody cares.
What are you?
We could get all up in there.
Dude, you should try to stay here overnight. What do you? Dude,
We could definitely just chill in here for forever.
this
We
is.
have all the food we need.
Have you seen those videos of all the food we need? It's literally dog food. Hold on. Scoot over. Oh shoot. Where did they go? I don't know. We got caught doing that. That was pretty dumb. Okay, well I guess we couldn't find the dog dye in the store, which is most unfortunate because jeez. I really You see the abuse I have to put up with when I'm with my friends?
Just walk into our house. You literally come over
Your
uninvited.
friends? That's a
Yeah.
That's a,
You guys are my friends.
maybe like acquaintance.
Acquaintances. Okay, well, but we couldn't find the dog dye, so we're not dyeing the bear. The dog. His name is Bear. We're not dyeing him whatever color. I was hoping for purple or something. What color were we gonna color him? Polka dot? What color? Well, red?
Polka dot, man.
I thought you could do polka dot of any color.
Polka dot comes stock.
Maybe we can just use food coloring.
I think
Oh.
yeah, and they said they're probably gonna stay.
But hear that? We may be doing it. We may be doing it.
All right, we might be doing it. All right, so I think this was the first time that I've really brought the vlog with me out to do something completely non-related to cars. So I thought it was kind of entertaining, so I figured I'd throw it in the video. But let me know down below if you guys want to see more misadventures, because the neighbors have finally gotten to the point where they're kind of comfortable being in the vlogs, which is cool. They become pretty good friends of ours. So if you guys want to see more Joey and Kaylee and Jordan and them, just leave a comment or like leave a like or anything, because that input helps me out a lot. Because sometimes it's like, if you guys only want to see car stuff, then of course I won't put anything with the neighbors. But also, like, this is my vlog too, and if some of you guys have wanted to learn more about me. But that's basically gonna wrap this video up. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and dream big.